Let's introduce installation procedure and notation for solar wireless infrared detector. Take 3-beam infrared detector as example. Open the package. Configuration including one piece of user manual, one pair of detector. Distinguish receiver and the transmitter by product conformity. T for transmitter, R for receiver. With 3 package of ion accessories, 1 package of screw. Step 1. Check sensor and alarms. Take 3-beam detector and horizontal host as example. Firstly, code detector into host unit. Press the white button for start the detector. Indicator of detector lighting up. It should normally open. Open the other terminal of detector in the same way. Calibrate detector and set it in one line. If detector goes well, about 30 seconds, receiving terminal of detector will flashes. Block 3 infrared holes with thick materials. Alarm host alarms. Detector and alarming works well. In order detector can charge with the sun, tear the plastic film on the detector before installation. Step 2. Fasten detector to iron bracket. Firstly, fixing and tightening cruciform and rectangular iron parts. Screw and conform to be tightly. Pay attention for direction of screw. Negative direction will influence its wear fastened. Use buckle to fix and fasten cruciform rectangular iron parts on iron frame. Screw and conform to be tightly. Fix another iron parts in the same way. At last, fasten detector to iron bracket. Screw and conform to be tightly. Attention, antenna of detector locates at the upper side. Keep green level at bottom place when fix the detector, so that wireless signal emission ability are not affected. At the same time, fix detector at upper side of iron bracket as far as possible, so that wireless signal emission ability are not affected. Set another detector to iron bracket in same way. Step 3. Confirm installation environment of iron bracket. Confirm the detector installation is horizontal by observing the bubble in green level. After confirm install location, marking and punching. Fix iron bracket with expansion screws. Keep iron bracket stable, and make sure bubble in the middle of green level. If it's not in middle location, adjust iron parts of detectors until bubble in right position. Fix and fasten iron bracket of another piece of detector in same way. Keep pair of detector in one standard level and height. Step 4. Calibrating by laser pointer. Start laser pointer. Made it rectangular and tightly to infrared hole. Move and adjust detector direction. Observing light spot and confirm it located at another terminal of detector. Kindly attention. Due to discrepancy of light spot location, please pay more attention when long-distance calibration. After calibrating first time, turn over laser pointer with 180 angle and recalibrate. If check laser spot between first time and second time has difference, should adjust and make laser spot just right at the middle of another infrared hole of detector. Besides, when calibrate in far distance, as light interference will make it unable to find laser spot. suggests to prepare color paper as reference substance when finding laser spot, so that installer can find laser point easily and make calibration. After calibration, make sure detector well mounted and can be moved. Then use laser pointer recalibrate detector. Avoid that detector moved when installation. Calibrate another side of detector in the same way. Fasten and retest whether it's moved or not. Step 5. Test detector whether calibrated by covered infrared hole. Block up to infrared light hole. Control panel will not alarm. Block below to infrared light hole. Control panel will not alarm. Only if covered 3 infrared light hole in same time. Control panel will alarm. Test another side by same way. Restate below cautions. Firstly, make sure all screws fixed and fastened tightly in right side. Secondly, make sure bubble of green level in the middle part. Thirdly, after calibration, test the block infrared hole to confirm whether it's in good condition. Here too, installation procedure and notation finished.